Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing a little video about the Bootmod3 Flexfuel kit. This is available for S55, N55 and now B58 F series BMWs. This is the B58 kit, obviously for our HE140i. We have also fitted these for S55 and whatnot. This kit actually is still plug and play. It's slightly more involved to fit than the S55 kits, but still nice and easy, relatively straightforward. And what this enables is monitoring of ethanol content in the fuel. And this isn't just a sample of the tank, this is the fuel that's actually being fed through to the engine as live data. So this feeds back to the standard ECU via CAN bus and enables essentially on the fly map changing without the driver having to do anything, without any kind of interaction or map switching. It just constantly monitors it, constantly adjusts your fueling, constantly adjusts your ignition, everything like that. And you can also check your ethanol content through the dashboard. So what we're going to do is Luke's going to crack on, get this all fitted, and then we'll show you how it works.
Here we are everyone, we've already installed the hardware unit in the back as you saw me do very quickly. One quick thing to note is if you're installing the kit on a left-hand drive vehicle, then you can follow the Bootmod instructions by tucking the little control box up underneath behind the driver's bolster or passenger side, sorry, right hand side of the car. But for the right-hand drive models, so mainly in Europe and us, is going to be tucking it up underneath the left-hand bolster, so on our passenger side, so that we have enough wiring to reach. Apart from that, it's simple, just tuck the box under the bolster. You need to remove just your plastic trim here and just feed the cable down underneath the carpet, which is all nice and protected up in a sheath. Just tuck it down and then you simply remove the white plug from the FEM control unit. Pull out one half of it, insert part of the Flexfuel kit wiring, and then the bit you've originally removed from the BMW plug connects to another plug on the Bootmod3 kit, and that's quite literally it. If you've already got Bootmod flashed on, all of their maps have the Flexfuel enabled, so you don't need to do anything else, just start the car and off you go.
As we've just seen, fitment is actually really quite easy. Not a lot to it, and well, it's the genius of modern cars really that everything runs through CAN bus. So now that's all fitted, we'll just show you how it works. A lot of it's hidden, it's going to be talking to the ECU, it's going to be doing all the bits that you don't necessarily need to know. But what is cool is being able to check your ethanol content on the road. So this car's filled with V-Power, which is advertised as E5, and those who love Shell will be very pleased to see we are showing just under 5% ethanol, so pretty much bang on what it's advertised as. So to check it while you're driving, all you do is nudge the cruise control down one click and you'll see the ethanol content on the dash and let go, job done. You can do that while you're driving as well. Works really nicely as well because if you nudge it up while you're on the road, you've got anti-lag as long as you've got CustomRom maps on here, and then you can map switch with the reset cruise control button. So all of your map switching is done via this, all completely hidden. All your monitoring, all your anti-lag, everything. To anyone who doesn't know, just drives like a standard car, which is why we love Bootmod. So we're going to carry on mapping with Litco for the new L520 that's on here. They're going to be working on looking at the ethanol content and make sure the map's tweaked to suit. But essentially, Bootmod have already scaled it automatically so that all the ethanol content will automatically feed into the map that's written for it. So happy days. Quite a simple mod, but especially with how fuel's going, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if we see more ethanol content from the pumps as standard. This car's now ready for it.